Friday. Link up in my jig and smoking night grade. Spend the long with me, I feel fly with. Yeah, me, I feel fly with. Friday. Link up in my jig and smoking night grade. Spend the long with me, I feel fly with.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to just like talk about like this hair, and I hope that you guys. Oh wait, hold on. I hope that you guys definitely subscribe.
I'm so weird. I'm feeling myself a little bit too much. Okay, hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. So I am back to do a hair video, and this is Missexyhair's Malaysian Kinky curly hair. So this is 16, 18, and 20 inches of bundles and a 14-inch closure. And can I just say, you guys, that I'm so proud of myself. Like, I really want to show you guys like how my wig looked previously, and I just like, don't get me started. We'll get into it. Hold on. So I'm so excited to finally bring this hair to you guys. I'm loving how it looks. Like it. I'm really proud of myself. You guys, let me tell you guys exactly what the heck went down over the past 2 days. Okay. So I made a wig with this hair, and it came out like trash. Like, my wig was just too small. I tried to customize it to make it fit, and it wasn't working for me, and I used a dome spandex cap. So that was where I effed up, because I got like my wig head right here. She literally has like one eyebrow, you guys. Like, she looks so depressed. Like, I want to be able to wear my closure and have it look natural. Like, as you guys can see by this footage, my freaking closure was behind my actual hairline. Like, it was so small and it just looked like trash. So I was like, okay, what are we gonna do? So I ended up going and getting myself one of those mesh like wig caps, like the ones with the adjustable straps inside of it. And that's what I used to make this unit. And at first the unit was a smidge small, because you guys, I just don't know how to customize like my wig head to make it like appropriate for myself. But because I got a big head, okay? I got a big freaking head. I didn't know how to customize it, so my wig wasn't so freaking tiny. But I was able to make little incisions into the wig, like inside the cap, and make sure I went around like the actual sewing. Yeah, I'm not gonna make a video on that because there's so many videos on how to make your actual wig bigger, and I found a lot of good freaking people that I'm so thankful for. So I'll be sure to link their videos down below, and you guys can definitely check it out. But yeah, so back to me. Ended up doing it again, and I'm just loving how this freaking hair is looking. What? And I'm gonna be including footage of how I wash the bundles. My favorite shampoo and conditioner at the moment. It helped to just bring life back into my hair. And I also use it on my natural hair too. So since I'm literally new to closures and frontals and not really the wig life, but I guess like making my own wig, you know, this was like a test and a trial. I'm really happy that this time around, like, it actually came out well. But you guys, like, you just got to keep on trying and trying and trying. I show footage of me actually bleaching the closure too and getting it nice and cute. And I didn't include this in the actual footage, but I used some Shimmer Lights shampoo on my closures so I can get rid of the brassiness, because I had my closure looking like a freaking Oompa Loompa on my head. Like, it was so orange and just disgusting. And you guys can see it like in this footage right here. It looks so bad. But as you guys can see, like, what, like, I don't know, man. I'm really proud of myself. Okay, yes. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I use to make my hair you know, just popping or whatever. And I can definitely do a detailed video for you guys, maybe like a wash day, like when I'm washing like my actual wigs and how I like get it to look like super delicious. But I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use on this hair, because you will need it if you got yourself some kinky curly hair. It can get really fuzzy and disgusting and annoying, and you just be like, why did I do this? Why didn't I just stick with my usual Brazilian straight hair, which is my fave. So So this product right here, you guys, this is like the lifesaver, okay? I love this stuff. I use this on my hair when I'm actually taking out like my weaves and my hair is all matted and disgusting underneath my weaves and stuff. Like, this stuff detangles it like a beast, and I really suggest you guys go and get this product right. Just go and get it, okay? So yeah, so I love this product, and using it on this hair, it just like makes it feel like, and it smells really good too, so you guys should definitely go and get it. So I just get a regular spray bottle. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, but it's already finished. So I put part water, and I also put myself some Jamaican castor oil in it, and it helps to just give your hair a little bit more shine. So I use both of that, and it helps to have it looking oh cute. And then another product that I use to actually lay down my lace and to just have it not from lifting up. And I'm gonna have to thank my sister Michelle for saving my life, because I just did not know that you could do this, and you guys probably already know you can do this, so I'm probably late AF, and my bad. But yeah, so I use Got to Be Glued, the blasting free spray, and I love this. I just go ahead, then put the lace, tie it up, you know, do your makeup. I don't know what else you're gonna do whatever that you're gonna do for like 10-15 minutes, take it off, and then bam, like it's there. And then for me to lay down my like because I don't like lay down where I'm like, oh my god, swoopity swoop, but just like to lay it down so it covers the indent of the lace that is matching up with like my actual skin. I go ahead and I put a little bit of some Hicks edge control, and yeah, and it works like a dream. I literally look like I'm naked, and it looks like I'm just over here talking to you guys. Just hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and make sure you follow all my social medias. It will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Okay, thanks you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome blessed day. I love you guys.
If I tell you do like this, I'ma show my do like this. If I tell you do like that, I'ma show my take 'em to the left though. Oh, but we be techno copana, Oveja international banana. Emi Timothy sharp Timothy kana. Oh yeah, one time make a coconut. Oh, but we be techno copana, Oveja international banana. Emi Timothy.
Cause it's a mad thing when I arrive. Cameras flash when I hop out the ride. Said I keep it cool, but obviously I lied. They weren't expecting nothing when my nigga went to slide. No, I got the juice. You know how I get down, you know how I do. Flipping designer clothes, couple thousand for the shows. Gotta take off them clothes. Oh, it's a